Hello, I'm Theodor from Nervousness for You. In our ABSR courses, our activity-based stress-free courses, we also integrate the concept of the 7 life processes. I briefly explain you the interconnections between those two. So when you look at the 7 life forces, you have the quality of breathing, warming, nourishing, in and excreting, maintaining, growing and generating. These are is a totality the life body consists from. With breathing, it means taking something slowly in. Yeah? Warming, preparing it that you can digest it. And with nourishing, it means that you really cut things down so in such little pieces that you can make them your own. And in excreting means you start making something out of it, maintaining what comes out of it. You care for it, then you let it grow. And with generating or reproduction, you give it a new birth from within, but it's your own thing you bring to birth then. And when you look at the exercises against nervousness, Rudolf Steiner has already given in 1912, you find 7 different types of exercises. Actually it's 8, because in the middle you have always 2 polarity going on. You change your handwriting, you hide objects from yourself, you think in reverse, you change habits, you deal with little wishes. Do I need this coffee? Don't I need it now? But playfully, you weigh up decisions, try to decide from the heart, and you try to refrain from criticism. Is it really necessary? And as you can see on the picture, you touch 7 very important forms of nervousness. We all have in us forgetfulness, tenseness, jumpiness, the tendency to burn out, to lose yourself, then this restlessness which comes out of losing control of what's going on, then all these things where psychosomatic illnesses come about because you do not know how to digest what's coming towards you. This indecision, what shall I do? And this hunted by thoughts are just circling in your head. And these exercises, and in the course you will see why it's working like this, help against it and make a whole out of your constitution which can deal with these challenges and even profit from them. And the 7 life processes, briefly, they form the roof of the whole. And then you detect that the breathing has something to do with memory, because you breathe an impression in and then, like breathing out, it comes back again. And the swarming processes, they build a body in which you can relax. Then really making nourishing things aspect, breaking things down to, is it my thing? Can I make it my own? Is the key against burnout, and so on. So, if you are interested to learn more about it, don't hesitate to join us, to go through this 8-week course in a playful way, with developing humor, but also love towards yourself, accepting yourself, and out of this, gaining strength and the capacity to deal with life joyfully. Looking forward to see you in the introductory webinar or in maybe even courses which go deeper, where you learn how to design courses like this yourself. You find everything on our website www.nervousness4you.com. Go to ABSR Stress Release and enjoy.